Hey guys, when last did you go out with your partner? Just two of you, no babies, no interruptions. Yes, that's how excited I was because we were going on this romantic date and we got to spend time with each other. I went for a simple look because I just had a chemical peel done so I couldn't wear any makeup, but I was just excited to be out of the house. So we had no traffic whatsoever getting there. This was Lagos at around 6 p.m. It took us 20 minutes to get there, which was fine because, usually it will be more. There was no traffic. We got there, beautiful, beautiful space. We met our friends, we had live music played, and we got hot towels, and we got served our sparkling zobo, and hubby got served some white wine. So, this was a 5-course meal, and it was just the most amazing thing ever, you guys. For the first course, we had, of course, that's our chef. Her name is Chef Moyo. We had okpo oka, which is corn pudding, and that tasted like the most beautiful puree you've ever had made from corn. It had onions, it had peppers, it was spicy, it was everything. I really enjoyed the first course. That just set the mood for the rest of the dinner. So our second course, we had a plantain brioche, which is like a bread made out of plantains, and it was served with some peanut sauce. The third course was some gnocchi and chicken stir-fry suya-ish. This was really good because I got to taste, I don't know, some sort of sweet potato in there. Our fourth course was egusi pepper soup, yam puree, and seared beef because I couldn't have the fish everybody else was having. It was good, but I'm not sure that was my best course. So we had this thing where we had lemongrass as a sensory cleanser. So we got to squeeze in between our palms, and it just smelled so amazing. Like, that was the best highlight of this dinner because that was aromatherapy right there. We got to spread around our bodies. It was just amazing. So I have learned a new thing, squeeze lemon grass in between your palms. Dessert, we had tangerine. This was a palate cleanser actually, and it did do what it was supposed to do. It was a bit tart, and it cleansed our palates really well. So here's the chef introducing our, next course. So we had a chai and our dessert, which was rice pudding, ice cream, puffed rice, coffee crumble, and passion fruit. Burst of flavors in the mouth. Like, you guys, the crew were amazing. These guys really did well, amazing service, and we had so much fun overall. I would definitely come back because it was so intimate and beautiful. Okay, guys, see you.